Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is John Samuel Smith and today I'm going to be going over Bitcoin. So I know a lot of you guys are like, what in the world is Bitcoin? Can you please explain this to us? I really don't know what's going on. So when you see in the news that Bitcoin has gone up or it's skyrocketing, whatever they put in the news, essentially they're talking about this cryptocurrency. Now, this cryptocurrency is on a blockchain ledger and it's called Bitcoin. So it holds value based on the previous dollar amount that has been placed in the market. So for example, multiple people put in their money into, let's say, a bank, and when you put your money in the bank keeps track of how much money is going in and how much money is going out without losing how much money you have particularly put money in. When that happens, the banks know how much money you have and they know how much money other people have, and that's because they keep track of it on something called a ledger. So what a ledger is, it is a database that is used to keep track of the money within a particular account or multiple accounts. So with blockchain and cryptocurrency, what it gives is an opportunity for you to have your money on a digital ledger where it is kept track by a computer system or automated system that is checked and backed by other computers, opposed to having it checked and backed by a banker. So when a banker checks the ledgers to make sure that when you put in your $100 or your $1,000 within a bank account, that it's still there. They want to make sure that you put your $100 in there and your $100 is accounted for, and it's not going to be counted as, let's say, $10, and if someone else and put into someone else's account. The reason why they do that is to keep track. And with a digital currency or cryptocurrency, you have an opportunity now to alleviate all the human errors. So it eliminates all the human errors from happening. So when you have the cryptocurrency, so what the cryptocurrency is now with Bitcoin now is valued like gold. So if you were to invest in gold, you would get like, it's like $57,000 for a pound of gold. Now, $57,000 for a pound of gold right now is valued very high. But when you look at cryptocurrency and you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is valued at $58,000 currently. So $58,000, and that's per one coin for Bitcoin. It's holding a similar value to gold, except for you're not actually holding on to your asset like you would gold, or not putting it into a bank like you would gold. It is held on a digital ledger. So you have to have these codes per se so that you can have access to your Bitcoin or your digital assets. So when you put your money into the form of a Bitcoin, now you have an opportunity to have your money or your digital asset on a ledger-based system where you have access to it. Also, you have access to spend that money or spend a part of that asset when you choose to. That's the thing that's a little bit different from gold that Bitcoin adds. So it's like a new form of having gold, but then you also have the element to where you can spend it, because now there's a place value for how much money you can put towards a specific item or a specific thing that you have. So you can see the cost value, and you can also spend at will whenever you would like. So there's a lot of different things that goes into Bitcoin that a lot of people really don't go too far into, but Bitcoin is essentially gold that you have access to spending digitally, and gold, you can't necessarily spend your gold online. Like, there's no one spending gold or buying things with gold online. It just doesn't happen. So that's another reason why Bitcoin has just been skyrocketing, because it's a great store of wealth, because you can see your value going up over a short period of time or extended period of time. And then you also have the access to spending it like fiat cash. So you actually have an opportunity to spend it and save it and gain value all within the same investment. So that's one of the reasons why people love Bitcoin, and they enjoy buying Bitcoin and buying other digital assets similar to Bitcoin. But I'm going to talk to you guys about Ethereum and get into that in the next video. Ethereum is something that is similar to Bitcoin, but you just have to click on the next video and check it out. But before you guys leave, I want to make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. So follow me at _real_John Sam on Instagram. Again, that's _real_John Sam. And then on Facebook at John Samuel Smith. And then I'll see you guys in the next video.